It's your boy Rocks in the mix.
Yeah. The sail past the reef where the crystal turquoise meets the blue. In the exploring house, I'm coming home to you. From the limestone cliffs of Qilaqila Bay to the Sawana breeze where the palm trees sway. Mavu had his crown, he had his Tongan pride, but the true heart of Lau is the woman by his side. She got the strength of the volcanic soil in her soul, and a smile that can make a broken man whole. Oh, 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 oh. Beautiful women of Vanua Balavu, working in the sun under sky so blue. From the Mavana hills to the Lomaloma shore, your grace and your spirit we can't ignore. Lord, the roses of the east, the pride of the sea, the daughters of Lau living wild and free. Domoni Loma, Domoni Loma. I see you in the morning weaving mats with care, with a ready biscuit stuck behind your hair. Hardworking hands, yet a touch so sweet. The rhythm of the islands in the way you move your feet. You carry the history, the Qilaqila line, like a rare island pearl. You're one of a kind. No need for the city, no need for the gold. You got a story that the ancestors told. Oh, beautiful women of Vanua Balavu, working in the sun under sky so blue. From the Mavana hills to the Lomaloma shore, your grace and your spirit we can't ignore. And oh, the roses of the east, the pride of the sea, the daughters of Lau living wild and free. Domoni Loma, Domoni Loma. Lomaloma na toba waka Loma. We sing the song that the old folks knew, but the melody is nothing without you. Through the hot spring steam and the coconut trees, your laughter is carried on a southern breeze. Yeah, it's a Lomaloma vibe. From the garden to the sea, you provide for the land, a legacy of love in the palm of your hand. The sun sets slow over the exploring isles, but the world stays bright when a Lau woman smiles. Oh, beautiful women of Vanua Balavu, working in the sun under sky so blue. From the Mavana hills to the Lomaloma shore, your grace and your spirit we can't ignore. You're the roses of the east, the pride of the sea, the daughters of Lau living wild and free. Yeah. Domoni Loma, Domoni Loma. Lomaloma, Sawana, keep on shining. Vanua Balavu to the world. Hardworking women, you're the heart of the reef. It's a mile away.